Check 1. Test 1, 2. Two, test 2. Mic check. Alrighty then, good morning. What's up, Andrew? Good morning, Ryan. All right, getting things set up. It's been a little bit. We got a new version. Good morning, Michael. Good morning, Kazi.
YM on the one. DCDMYM on the one.
So we are going to continue to QA a few things together. As I've had a couple issues with the latest. Good morning, Diamond. Good morning, S Trader. What's up, Greg? Good morning, good morning.
Double Delta EAM on the one. Upper bands touch NQ on the 89.
All right, what's our time? 9:12. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the full auto here. Going to go quantity 2 times 5 will be 10. Probably start 4 smalls. And do we want the fiddle zone filter? You know what? We do. We sure do. We are in the flat. Make sure we got 3 days of data here. Yes, make sure you are on 3 days of data. Yesterday was a holiday. You might even need to add 5 depending on whether you are running on ES or some of these others. Again, NQ probably only 1 day. But currently for the Dow, looks like 3 is okay, although it looks a little... You know what? I'm going to add more. Let's see. Market's not moving very much. I think we'll be okay here. I'm going to go and I'm going to actually add 6 days of data. I'm going all the way back. Don't forget, because we had a weird deal in there. We had Thursday of last week off as well, with the Carter funeral thing. Yeah. So now we've got it proper. So I had to add... I went 6 days of data here on YM. So you may want to do the same if you want some. Just to make sure you're accurate there. All right, coming up about 15 seconds till 9:15. Gonna go ahead and arm those long, short. I'm gonna go actually L3. Let me refresh one more time here with L3. It's snowing in Houston. How about that? Yeah, I heard you guys might get about, what, 6 inches? They're calling 6 inches of snow there in H-Town. Coming down today, huh? You never see the white stuff down there. Unless it's inside an Oreo. Middle zone filter on. And let's go full auto. And let's see what else we want to play with here. Hold out here today.
Yeah. Hey.
Oh my god. He put it in the shark onesie. Oh my goodness. The end of the world. Let's see. Turn some of this sound down here and here. Yes, don't forget to update your ranges. Thank you, Petro. Anybody want to save me a step and tell me what is the range for the Dow? We'll push it. Oh no, it's broken.
Don't worry.
The light's not coming anymore. What?
Fib.ym on the 1.
RTY 43. Thank you, Petro. Did I just get lucky and I was right on the 43? Beautiful. Oh, wow. Sorry, Dow 40. My mistake. My mistake. 40. Thank you, sir. Yeah, you can tell him to come here. All right, let me check the news. Two o'clock. Can't be right. Moving up the list here. Had some 830s there. Overnighters. And then 1050 greens and after hours. Okay. Okay, currently moderate buy on the nerd. So NASDAQ, ES, RTY, Dow, best plays to the long side as of this moment, 9:20, 10 minutes before the US Open. All right, let's grab a coffee and get this thing going.
Welcome aboard, everyone.
What exactly is ALGOBOX, and why do our traders absolutely love it?
Michael Othrew.
Are you ready indeed? It's game time. Let's go. All right, looking around at the high time frames. Right now, we really don't want to be doing nothing. We are very, very tight here. Okay, be just comfortable in your skin here for a little bit. This is nowhere to play. Can everybody tell that? If you understand that, type a 1. Another thing, look up here. Nothing. That's the 89s. What? No. Okay, just no. So just chillax. I'm going to let the Enigma take over here. Get some Enigma pops, great. If not, all good. Got the fiddle zone filter on. which means I'm not going to be taking anything for a little bit. Can you tell? Look, so we'd have to really push out of there at the open. We're inside the fiddle zone. So I'm going to let that sit while I get a coffee warm up here. But yeah, it's sit on hands time. We'll get into the zoom into the lowest time frame here. Got full auto turned on, quantity 2 times 4, so I'll be entering 8s if and when this hits. But again, as of right now, if you're wondering how we got that, well, we're inside the fiddle zone, which is this demarcation here, right? So the system is not going to take a trade.
Double delta NQ on the 3.
For a bit. Or you never know. Who knows? It could be some wild open. I mean, Trump is now your president. Congratulations. Let's grab a coffee for that one.
DCEMYM on the 1.
Alrighty then. We got a little regulator touch there. Little red dot, and here comes the open. Still got 2 minutes 45 seconds. I'm gonna thicken up the bars a little bit here. Actually, I'm using some hotkeys here you might want to become familiar with. If you hold Alt, try this out. Click on your chart, hold Alt, and then tap the down arrow and the up arrow. So we can make them real fat. Just tap, 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 tap. Or we can make them narrow. So take your Yeah, another one. I'm going to do control up. So I'm holding control and I'm going to tap up, 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 up.
Double delta NQ
Down,
on
down,
3.
down, 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 up, 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 up. Super handy. You don't know those short keys. Hold control up, hold alt up. Play with those. Become very familiar with your tools. Be very comfortable driving your machine. We're currently neutral now. I mean, we are flat as flat can be. On the high time frames, the nerd is neutral. Yeah, not a lot to look at the moment. Yeah, Petro, I think you might be onto something there. Is expecting increased volatility today, 3-day weekend, Trump becoming president. You'll notice I'm kind of just, I'm chill, relaxed, not really even because of the charts, just in general.
Double
I
delta team on the 2.
I have learned over the decades of trading that it's just a video game. The more you try to anticipate, the more you think about, oh, it's macro this, it's macro that. I would more rely on what's happening right now. All that matters is right now. All that matters is the next trade. All that matters is the next button click. All that matters is the next stop target entry, right? In my opinion, do what you want. But I would look here at the speedometer, tell me what it's doing right now. I don't care. Now, big picture wise, I do want to know if we've got AOC coming. So we do need to do an AOC check.
Short on the YM1.
Now, so why did that one not fire? Because we're in the fiddle zone, right? And I've got the fiddle zone filter turned on right now. Now, whether I should be doing that or not, don't know, but I'm actually glad
Double
that
delta EAM on the
means
1.
we don't have any issues with this. I am
YM on
kind of
the 8.
fleshing out the
Double delta
last
EAM on the 1.
bit of bug checks here before I release this to Platinum. Perfect 10.6 there.
Double delta EAM on the 1.
3.1 is a no, and very, very flat there, so that one did not fire. So first one was good, second one
YM on the 1.
not so much. Getting wild here at the open. I like to just kind of chill for the first 5 minutes, let the tools do the work there, let the full auto take the plays, and it looks like I'm going to have it just wait until it gets
on the 3.
outside the fiddle zone, and you know, we'll be able to play the game. There'll be plenty of trades. Plenty to go around. Plenty to go around. Whiskers says, the worst trades came when I would try to anticipate. It's true. When I wait and allow ALGOBOX to tell me when to enter much better success. Thank you for the wisdom. Wise Whiskers. Hey, Whiskers, I took you up on your thoughts on... look, I've got a Whiskers ATM now. Look at my... I'm cool. I'm cool like Whiskers. I got an 18, 22, 30. Mostly for my NQ, let's be honest. But yes, I've got an ATM named after the Whiskers himself.
Double delta RTY on
The
the 4.
actual myth, man, and the legend known as
Enigma
Whiskers.
short on the NQ3.
Okay, we are in the flat zone here.
Double delta NQ on the 3. Double delta EAM on the 1. Speed of NQ1 YM 100. Double delta EAM on the 1. Speed of YM 100 Q on the 2. Double delta EAM on the 1.
Ooh, we got triple ready ups, quadruple ready ups now. Okay.
NQ on the 3.
Now we're having some excitement here.
Double delta
I didn't really have a... I mean, I guess the move was down, so it would be an up move out of a shark. So Super Shark PRZ ends up being a super
on the 40.
with the ready DDs in there. And since there's multiple supers, what do we call that?
On the NQ3.
Pop quiz in an area. When there's two, instead of super, we say what? Can't say super. I'll give you a hint. It's not super. Super duper Petro. Man is sharp, I tell you.
Double delta
Can't
E
get
on the
anything
one.
past him. When you got two, it's called super duper.
116.
Yes, when you got triples, then we've got Titanic, right? So Titanic zone, shift turn there. A little shallow for me to really kind of be looking at that. Also in the first 5 minutes here. It's 9:33, so still waiting on that first 5 minute shakeout here, especially the fact that we are just flat. Gonna the market kind of get to a spot, get up and outside the fiddle zone area. First play outside the fiddle zone would probably be juicy. The super duper.
Double delta E on the one.
Other delta. Now, also remember, this is the open line right here. Everybody know this? If you know that's the open line, type a 1. If you don't, type a 2, and we'll walk it
Speed of
through.
YM 118 along on the YM1. Speed of NQ 118.
I would like to take that. That is a strong buy right now, but I still got 1 minute to sit on hands here, and I'm just enjoying my coffee here for the first few. But that is a super moon right there.
Double delta NQ on the 3.
Inside the fiddle zone,
Double
inside the
delta
first
NQ
5
on the
minutes.
3.
But the system is just too good there in the mornings, I tell you.
Double delta NQ on the 3.
The sandy line, that's right.
Fib.YM on
The sandy line is designating your open line for when the market opened there, when the futures market opened
Fib.YM on the 8th. Speed of YM 153.54.
For the day. Ooh, interesting. Super did not touch. Remember how I told you guys, it's like a loose rubber band, right? It's like a wet rubber band just kind of flopping around when you don't have it pulled back. No
Double delta E on the 2.
firepower behind it.
Double delta
Very interesting what's going on here inside the fiddle zone right now on the histogram.
Upper bands touch YM on the 40.
Just as an update, we did get the latest release out over the long weekend. I wanted to give you guys a chance to get things installed. Hopefully you guys got the new version installed. I do need to make an announcement. Do not do the latest NinjaTrader 8141. Some issues, not us.
YM on the speed of NQ 100.
NinjaTrader is on the NinjaTrader forum,
Speed of
and
YM 98.
there are some people saying there's some stability issues, and I did experience it myself actually this morning, though I had to eat crow on. I mean, everything had seemed fine before with the last week or so of testing. But no, something's up. And again, maybe it's because of the holidays, who even knows. But I can say the 8131, let me see what version I'm on here.
Upper bands touch YM on the 40.
Yeah, 8131 is the recommended NinjaTrader version. It is there inside of Discord channel chat. If you look for the recommended version, you'll see that version in there. If you are on the latest and you need to roll back, it's very simple. Just go into your Windows, select uninstall NinjaTrader, current one, and then run the 8131 installer,
Speed of NQ 100,
and you'll be good to go. Now, if you want to be super safe, go ahead and install ALGOBOX one more time. Just run the ALGOBOX installer once more, just to make sure that you've got everything in there. Don't forget, if you are upgrading to the latest ALGOBOX with the new features, do uninstall the old one first.
NQ on the 3.
Then install the new one. Same as always. Nothing different there. Here we go. Things starting to wake up now.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 89.
Set of drilling, but we're right into flat zone. So that that bright orange color, if you're new with us, means We are right in the middle of the flat zone, the worst of the worst spots. So not even just inside the fiddle zone, inside the red flat zone. There, we are on the
Speed
flat
of
line.
YM
Not interested.
157. Speed of NQ 157. Lower bands touch NQ on the 89.
So we just let the tools do the work. I'm just waiting until
Short NQ on the 3.
the game is in play.
Double delta EM on the 1. Double delta RTY on the 4. NQ 165. Speed of YM 75.
Good morning, Tommy. Good morning, Ninja.
Double delta NQ on the 3. Enigma short on the NQ3.
Nerd is completely neutral. If you are new with us, that is wonderful colors right over here.
NQ 150.
That is the
Lower
nerd.
bands touch NQ on the 89.
NASDAQ, ES, RTY, and the Dow, all 4 correlated instruments right there in one custom indicator there inside of the Discord channel chat there for the community. Left-hand side of Discord, click on MacV Ultimate on the left, and you can have that local to you as well.
DCDM NQ on the 3. Fib.YM on the 40. Lower bands touch NQ on the 89. Double delta EM on the NQ 190.
All right, I had to take that one on the NQ. So NQ's handing out candy over there. It just dropped into a super alpha omega enigma right there. Got the enigma
NQ on
with the 10 AO right there. So you've got the moonshot right there. Grabbed a few off of that one. Big down move there on NQ. Outside of its fiddle zone there. And snagged that one. Couldn't pass that one up. That will be trade number 1 if you were using the trade tracker. Turn the sound on because it's more fun that way. Trade number 1 is a winner, so don't forget, with my little gaming session here, I'm looking for winner chicken dinner.
174.
2 winners out of 5 trades plus a bonus. You took the juicy DCM on NQ6s. Yeah, you know, the 6s and the 4s are getting very popular. I can't imagine why after hearing plutonium knocking out
Lower bands
$59,000.
Double delta NQ on the 3.
Or was it 53? Somebody correct me. Give me the good morning, Mr. Canfield. Good to see you, sir. Good morning, Brian. Was what did he do that day? Was it 53,000 or 59,000? And He swears up and down in the mornings on the 4s and 6s on NQ. And I was like, man, well, there might be something to it. I tend to look at the 3s, but you know, especially in the morning when there's a lot of activity, 4s and 6s make a lot of sense there. And, yeah, so some other people have been picking up on the 4s and 6s there. I still don't have those in my purview, but
Lower bands.
I'm thinking about
NQ on the 89.
Thinking about possibly upgrading my my 3s to a 4, at least in the morning. I don't know so much in the afternoon, but I like to. I don't like to. It was 53K. My goodness, amazing work, sir. Amazing. 53,000 in a single day, single account.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 89.
All right. Coming up in the top of the channel. Are we outside the... Hey, we're outside the fiddle zone finally.
Touch YM on the 40.
First touch outside the fiddle zone. So, still got full auto turned on here. The first Enigma that fires off here, I'll be happy to take it.
Speed of YM 137. Double delta NQ on the 3. Double delta NQ on the 3.
Okay, prior high and high of day. Coming up here, high of day is that green dash line there. So let's watch the crosses as we approach there.
Double
The
delta
crosses are
E
going
on
to
the
tell
2.
us what retail is thinking.
Enigma long on the NQ3. Speed of NQ 133.
On the NQ3. I'll take that. Man, too easy, bro. Too easy. All right, got the Enigma off of the NQ right over there. 16 points. Your distance here. I didn't. Whoops. Oh, my. I'm on the right.
Speed of NQ 154. Double delta team on the 8. Speed of NQ 154.
Functioning.
Enigma long on the NQ3.
Helps if we get those turned on here this morning. All right, make sure you turn your IQ software on if you've got the hotkeys there for the Corsair K55 or K57s that we suggest for members. Only the best, nothing less. Stream cutting? I don't know. Is it cutting for anyone else? Test 1, test 2,
Double delta
test 1, test
NQ on the
2.
3.
Petro's asking if the stream was cutting out. Test 1, test 2, test 1, test 2.
Speed of NQ 100 YM on the 41.
Test 1, test 2, microphone. Are we good with the mic or the music and mic? All right, so we are winner. Got our chicken dinner, so now it's just bonus. I want to make sure I've got everything lined up.
Speed of YM 152.
So when you guys are saying it's
Speed
cutting,
YM
is it
52.
the music overall, or is it my microphone? Let's see if I can check my... I mean, it looks okay to me. I'm seeing the equalizer, and it's looking like it's catching. It's not doing the microphone craziness. So, oh, the whole stream. Stream health. According to YouTube, stream is healthy. Excellent. Stream health is excellent. Good morning, Gustavo.
Touch YM on the 40. Speed of NQ88.
All right, riding a strong buy here. The strong buy continues. So again, I'm just looking for a bonus now. It's good now. Oh, that's good. Good. All the way from Canada. Thank you, Mr. Crawford.
Double delta NQ on the 3. Fib.YM on the 1.
All right, let's watch how this dot goes. So first structure break on the buy side.
Upper bands touch YM on the 40.
One, two, three. That's 3 legs. We gotta wait for 4 for a 4-legged dog trap. Let's see if we get a 4th leg. 1, 2, 3. Here comes the 4. All right, there's number 4. Smooth leg down. So let's see if we get a trap and a dog head and continue. We are on moderate buy, so I want the doggy head.
Double delta.
There it comes. There's the leg. Now give me a doggy head, and I will pop it in for my bonus.
Fib.NQ on the 89.
There's the head, and give me the red. I'm sorry, green. So got slipped on that one, unfortunately. Did not get a great entry on that.
Double delta EM on the 4.
Might take a loss here because of that terrible entry. Right at prior high here. Here comes King Timings.
Short on the YM1. Enigma long on the NQ3. Speed of NQ 125. Enigma long on the YM1.
There's double King Timing.
Target
Break that
filled.
Gartley.
Enigma short on the YM2. Double delta NQ on the 3.
Stops in a bad spot there. Terrible entry on that dog's
Fib.YM on the
head.
1. Double delta NQ on the 3. Speed of YM51. Speed of YM51. Fib.YM on the 8.
Gonna try this one more time on that structure regulator. A little bit concerned. I don't see my Enigma target, so I might have a bug here, or I need to check my settings on the Platinum bot. I do not see the Enigma target. You guys see it? I don't see it. And working out the final bugs here
Speed of
on
NQ 107.
on the Platinum Enigma bot here.
Target filled. Target filled.
Double delta NQ on the 3, fib.ym on the 1. Double delta NQ
Yikes,
on the
red
3.
dot might be the stopper. Yep.
Upper bands touch YM on the 40.
Well, I do see the Enigma target now, though.
Enigma short on the NQ3.
Oh, come on. What are you doing to me, bro? What just happened? What just happened?
Double delta YM on the 1.
Alright, we just missed some news.
Fib.ym on the 1. Speed of YM 119. Speed of YM NQ 417. Double delta NQ on the 89.
News check, news check.
Enigma short on the YM2.
Can anybody get me some news? What's happening? Who fired the missiles?
Double delta NQ on the 3. Double delta NQ on the 3. Double delta NQ on the 3. Speed of YM 977. Lower bands touch NQ on the 89.
Yeah, I just got that triple ready DD on NQ, thank goodness, and I'm going to close this one out here. No good. Got my 4K. That was a beautiful pop right there, folks. Get your triple ready DDs in your eyeballs. Look at that beautiful play right there. So triple ready DD, buy in, big move up. There's me exiting. Beautiful play setup right there. Beast on the NQ. Would like to know if what kind of news event that was. That felt news-ish. That was pretty wild.
J-hook long NQ on the 3. Speed of YM 64 and 32. Speed of YM 64. DCDMYM on the 1.
Target filled. Target filled. Target filled.
Targets filled on the moonshot. Beautiful. So in there we had a red and a green, and then that would be another one for trade number 6. So there's how
double delta NQ.
There's how it went. We had winner, winner, winner. We had a loser in there. And then we did winner, winner on NQ, and then on the Dow. Check, check there at the end for 45.05. I'll take it. I'm kind of curious what that news was.
99.
I'm going to pop over here into Discord and check our news section. Good time to kind of show off how that works. Vinny's live. How about that? Alright, so on the left-hand side, I'm going to go pop in here to the news. Scroll to the bottom. And I should have this in my purview. I'm lazy. I've been doing this too long. Alright, let's see what we got here. Stock alert. Blah, blah, blah. Investigating whether the merger of Redwire Corporation is fair to shareholders. Okay. 100% of Bitcoin holders back in profit for the first time. That doesn't look like anything crazy. Trump-backed crypto project buys 48 million Ethereum. So I don't see anything too crazy.
Speed of NQ 133.
2 minutes till 10 a.m. So maybe it's just a not about. Anybody else see a news event that I might have missed? I didn't see anything in there. At the end of the day, don't care, don't panic, play the game. Okay, somebody's saying the stream is still cutting out. Is it the sound?
NQ on the 3. Fib.ym on the 1.
Rooters didn't see anything either. Okay. Yeah, I mean, it felt like news there, but it wasn't. It was just a wild move. That's what I mean by, like, I always tell people all the time, like, stop trying to anticipate things. Just react. Play the video game. You know, it doesn't help you when it comes to making money. Making money literally has nothing to do with knowing anything. I hate to say that. I mean, knowing how to play the video game, I guess, when it comes to ALGOBOX. I lost my highlighting on the new install. Ooh. Plutonium, I gotta go through your notes again. What's the name of that file that we highlight and change the highlight color? My highlight colors now, it's boring. It's gray, it's not my nice bright orange anymore. Something like blue XML or something like that. Blue XML file.
Double delta NQ on the 3. DCDMYMQ 142. DCDMYM on 1.
Okay, back in the middle, flat on the fiddle.
Double delta NQ on the 3.
Back in the middle, then we're flat on the fiddle.
Fib.ym on the 8. Speed of NQ 174.
SQ, you are a boss, bro. This is awesome. Okay, I gotta share this with you guys. This is fun.
Double delta NQ on the 3. Speed of NQ 144. Speed of NQ 144 on the 3. Double delta NQ on the 3. Double delta NQ on the 3. Double delta NQ on the 3.
cheating with sound.
Speed of YM64 on the 3. Speed of YM64.
Oh man, that's too awesome.
Fib.YM on the 1.
Oh, thank you, SQ. We're gonna have some fun with that one on the return to Twitter. The Twitter shitter. It'll be fun times. We got the nomads in the house.
Double Delta EM on the 1.
Shout out Nomad. Make sure you guys go follow the Nomads. Day Trading Nomads on YouTube. Make sure and give them a like and a follow. I guess it's a follow and then a like on our video. I'm too tired to say things properly. Day 1. That's right.
Fib.YM on the 1.
Trump is your president.
Double Delta EM on the 1.
Okay, that's a super dot here, but we are still just inside the fiddle. So if we're being choosy in our trades, right? We don't, even this one, it's not great, right? So if I'm going to tap this, is it T1 or T2? It's an advanced question. Since we're inside the fiddle,
Speed of
if I am going to take
49.
a super dot,
Speed of
pretty good play.
149. Divergence
take T1, or can I go all the way to T2? Type T1 or T2 in the chat. Got an answer for us. Pop quiz, little teach and little lunch and learn there.
Along on the NQ3.
Oh, we just missed a super AO. We just missed a super AO, bro. Come on, look at that. Everybody know that's a super AO?
On the 1.
After you're done typing your T1 or T2, the next question is, do you recognize that as a perfect super AO? If you do, type a 1. If you don't, type a 2, and we'll walk it through. And that play dropout there is good for
YM137.
down to the Enigma. 67 tick drop off on that super AO.
Enigma long on the YM1. Double Delta EM on the 1.
Have a hard time taking only T1 on a super AO. Now remember, the question was a super dot, not a super AO. This is just
Double
a super
Delta EM
dot.
on the 2.
I mean, technically it's a headshot too, but so we're clear. Yes, obviously there are some things overriding like a super AO. I mean, I might go heavier, right? I mean, it could literally turn the whole darn thing, right? But the question more so was, we got a super dot here. It's a pretty good play.
Speed of NQ100.
Am I going to go more than T1? No. And, you know, yeah, it went up. Got a nice up move there. Yeah, it's a T1 play. These are things you need to think about and get better in your play style. Some people like skip it, but it's like, why leave money on the table? You could take that. Why not hit target 1 and then close the trade? No problem. Grab a bag. Nothing wrong with grabbing bags along the way. Super dot. Boom. Up move there. Ended up getting 29 ticks. So can you get 10 out of it? Yeah. Get 15. Sure. But we're in that fiddle zone, so I'm not going to try to be a superhero with it. And that's generally my take on things. Super AO and then Super AO back to back in the other direction. So Super AO down for 67. Look at this one. This one's going to be over 100. That looks like that Super AO currently has gone 158 back the other way on the Super AO. And you're wondering, it's like, why is ALGOBOX so good? Why do ALGOBOX traders have P&Ls so much larger than all these other little ICT turd rooms? Well, let me explain. Maybe he's born with it. Maybe it's ALGOBOX.
Double delta NQ on the 3.
All right, we got a super shark short right here, but I'm not taking it. It's moderate buy right now. We have just shifted into buy. I'd like to smack that back down. Be quite straight up honest with you. I want to slap that down.
J-hook long YM.
I'm up 4K, 45.05 here. I would normally be taking that target at the front of the shark right there. There is enough room for it. Let me measure it.
Speed of NQ 90.
Shark back to the front. Yep, and it hit right there. So if you took that one, can't fault you on that. Very nice. It's 18 ticks. So you're still T1, T2, 10, 15 on the ones. But nice play if you took that super shark right there. Why is it super? You got the ready DD. Why is it a shark? Because it's a shark PRZ structure plus order flow. Come on, it's a beautiful combination. What we're here for with the ALGOBOX. Structure plus order flow. You can't get much better than that. Or can you? Somebody tell me in the chat. What's better than that? What is better than that does structure and RTOFA, real-time order flow analysis? At the type of
J-hook short YM on the 122.
A lot of places try, and you end up with
Two-finger
garbage
NQ on
like
the 89.
Brookmap and
Double delta EM on the 2.
fart saws.
YM on the 1.
Pooper scoopers. The sound, got people saying the sound's cutting out again. I don't know what's going on with that. Might need a reboot or something. Let me try to close out some of my Chrome browser stuff.
Lower double delta NQ on the YM on the 1. Double delta EM on the 4. Speed of NQ 134. Speed of YM 71 NQ on the 3. Double delta NQ on the YM on the 1. Lower bands touch NQ on the 9. Enigma short on the NQ3.
Alright, thanks Nomad. Yeah, hopefully it's just something with YouTube and some people's areas, I hope. Everything on the visualizer is showing me that it's okay, so it's hard for me to tell what's what, but I'm going to go ahead and close out some of these windows and let me know if... Yeah, maybe refresh. Press F5, reconnect possibly. But other people have also said that. Maybe it's an issue with NinjaTrader today. I'm sorry, wow, I just say NinjaTrader? Wow, the brother needs some sleep.
Speed of YM 700 on the 62.
YouTube is what he meant to say, folks. Coming through 5x5. I like the sound of that.
Fib.ym on the 1. Fib.ym.
Okay, we got a Titanic zone coming up here forming on NQ. I'm going to draw it up here. So let's draw it in. And I need to figure out here just a moment to get my, do a region highlight. And I'm having to do that because my,
Lower bands
oh, now it's
touch
working.
NQ on the
It's so
89.
weird. But now my G keys are working on my, so weird. It wasn't, whatever.
Speed of
Working now.
168. Speed of NQ 168.
Okay, so I'm gonna look for the trap back here, and then I'm popping it up, right? You know the drill. Yeah, might have been it right there.
Fib.ym on the 1.
Click down, and then we'll come back up. Don't like that we are moderate sell though. We are moderate sell. It's easier if it's neutral or
on the
green.
1.
Titanic zone. So we expect price to get up here in the black area. If this Titanic zone works out well, waiting for an entry. Haven't seen an entry yet. Trap is there. Need an entry.
Speed of NQ 100. Double delta NQ.
Okay, there's a ready DD. Got my finger over the buy. Just need an entry. Give me an entry. All right, I'm gonna tap. I'm gonna tap once.
Double delta NQ
Oh,
on the
there's
3.
another one came in here, so I'm closing it. Got about 200 bucks here. I'm waiting for something good. I need an entry.
Lower bands
Give me
touch
like an
NQ
Enigma
on
or
the
something.
89.
Okay, nice trap. Now
Double
come up.
delta NQ
Oh,
on the 3.
okay. Never mind. That has been canceled, folks. Orders are canceled. What is this? Triple ready DD. Another triple ready DD. I need to do now a measurement. I am simply going to press F8. I'm going to the prior cross into the middle of my ready DDs.
DCD.
There's my gold line target down below,
Delta
and
NQ
I always
on
like to do
3.
two measurements when there's two pivots. Here's a bigger pivot to the middle. I've got two targets down here for continuations. If we run, I've got a spot right here, and I got a spot right here.
Double delta MC.
Holy shnikes, there is a lot of speed going on right here. I'm going to try to snag this one more time. I'm grabbing a bag to the long side, because that is a super AO with an Enigma in there, and hopefully that's going to help me out. There's my target. Thank you very much, getting me to 5,600, folks. It's a little bit too easy. It is just a little. It is getting just a little bit too easy. Do you see the super Enigma with the AO right there? So we have a power. Let's get the whole name right. A super power moonshot. Yes, everybody got it? Super power moonshot is the proper term for this. If you get it, type a 1. If you don't, type a 2. We'll walk it through. Why is it a super? Because it's a ready DD. Why is it a power? Because it is an AO, not a standard cross. And the combination of the cross plus the Enigma, that's a moonshot. It is a power moonshot because it is an AO, not just a standard cross. Everybody get it?
Double delta NQ on the 3.
You get it. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. A little bit too easy.
Fib.ym on the 8.
That can only be seen with ALGOBOX. I don't know if anybody recognizes that or not, but people playing without ALGOBOX, dummies, don't get it, don't understand it. Why would you not play with ALGOBOX? You're stupid. Super power moonshot, bruh. Exactly. Oh, you got that one last night? Interesting. Almost got the exact same Titanic zone last night on the Nomad stream. How about that?
Speed of NQ 99.
These, they do repeat, folks. They do repeat. It's why we know what's going to happen. It's almost like, it's almost like I predicted that. It's almost like I predicted that it was going to go right back up into that black zone. It's almost like he knew. It's like, knew. What?
Double delta EM on the 1.
It's crazy, bro. Crazy. It's crazy talk. Must be luck.
Fib.ym on the 1.
All right, that zone is 160 ticks. I've told you guys with the Nomad crew all the time, these are my plays that I get 100 to 150 ticks. Beautiful. It's beautimous. It's beautimous.
DCDMNQ on the 3.
Eddie, what's up? What's up? Good to see you, sir.
Speed of NQ92. Speed of YM54. Enigma long on the NQ3.
Enigma long on the stairs. On the stairs. E.
Double delta EM on the 1.
What you talking about? It's on the stairs. The stairway to heaven, bro. It's the stairway to heaven. I come to the trainings. Go up to training every once in a while. You might learn something.
DCDMNQ on the 3. Speed of NQ84. Enigma short on the YM2.
We are inside the fiddle zone. So, it's a no take. So, just a quick recap for those who are just showing up or need a little refresher on where we currently are. I've got full auto turned on. I've got L3 confluence on the ones. I don't think you can see that I'm on AB ones right now, but anybody who's been following me for a while knows that I am all about the ones. I can read higher time frames off the ones and things because of, thank goodness, to the ready ups and ready Ds. Plus I've got other higher time frames looking over here on the sides of my screens, no problem. And this just gives me the most amount of entries, number one, the most opportunities, and the least amount of risk.
YM59.
It's the ones, bro. I take the level 1 risk, and I look for higher time frame rewards. Huh? You can't do that. I just heard. What's that guy's name? Iman says you can't do that. Iman is broke. What? Yeah, sorry. Those indicators don't work. No indicator works. You're stupid. They broke. Just make sure you deliver my Uber burger hot and on time, please. Just thank you very much. Yeah, no, that's a good way to do it. Leave it on the chart. Yeah, absolutely. There's really no point in erasing it unless you get ones that cross over. I have had that situation where when my zones start to kind of overlap, then I want to remove some, you know what I mean?
NQ95.
But yeah, if you found a zone, leave it there. Sometimes it can revisit it later and it can become some area of opportunity. Yeah, that happens quite often. Coming right back in and hitting the flat zone again. Whoa. Yeah, don't eat my fries in the bag, bro. Put that safety sticker on the top of that bag and lock it down. Don't let them eat my fries in the bottom of the bag. Especially if it's from Wingstop. Have y'all noticed that Wingstop has like the best French fries ever? And I swear it's because I think they use sugar. There's like a slight hint of sweet in their salty. Have you noticed? The Wingstop fries are something insane. It's either sugar or cocaine. I'm not sure which.
Double delta NQ on the 3. Fib.ym on the 1. Double delta EM on the 1.
Yeah, the Fry lockdown sticker.
Fib.YM on the 1.
They have sugar. Is it confirmed? Thank you, Mr. Moore. Oh, we got a super dot short. We're a strong buy though, so I'm not taking that only because they got a strong buy here, but that's a super dot. Good for target 1. Inside the fiddle zone.
Double delta EM on the 1. Speed of NQ75.
Got a little bit stronger there. Now it's a super duper. Super duper dot short. Target the bat. I don't know if it's going to get there because we are a literally strong buy right now. In the flat. So you see how I kind of just easy filter. I just play the video game. Don't care about anything else. Just play it like a video game.
On the YM4. Double
Count your points at the end of the game. Flat.
Enigma long delta
Hey, look at
N3
that.
on the 3.
There's that super duper dot, pushes it right into that dat.
Speed of NQ95.
Good play. Would bet the farm on it. Good play. Super duper dot. Everybody knows that, right? This is a super duper dot. I know you'll get used to our terminologies, but it's super duper. Why? Because we have 2 supers. So super 1, super 2. But rather than saying super dot, we say super duper. SDD, super duper dot. So that means we've got the structure of a multi-fib Elliott dot. That is the Fibella dot. Multi-fib plus Elliott wave. That's what indicates the structure there. So we got the structure. Then we got order flow. The order flow. Then we got 2 order flows.
DCDMYM on the
Beast
1.
mode here.
Double delta EM on the 1.
And that's going to give you, for the drop, 21 tick total
Speed
from
of
top to bottom. So that's a
NQ81.
T1 and T2. Although,
Speed
again,
of
like I said, because we're
NQ81.
in the flat zone there, I would have only done for a T1. And it doesn't mean that it's only going to go to T1, by the way. It just means that, okay, so it goes 20, but you're probably not going to get the perfect entry. You're probably not going to get the perfect exit. So I want something larger than enough space to, like, I'm not trying to grab the whole kit and caboodle. And they're like, what are you talking about, kit and caboodle, bro? Well, I like to think of it like, all right, so there's this opportunity, and it's got to be large enough. I'm not going to grab all the way. So if this thing is 21 ticks from start to finish, all the way from here, all the way to there, and it's 21. I don't know if that backed up like that. It's supposed to be a 1. Anyhow, that's 20. That's 0 all the way to 21. And like, I see the play, and I slip click, and I go long, or in this
Speed
case,
of
it would've been short, but anyway, just
NQ78.
play with me here, because it's like, I press the button, here's my entry as it moves up, and there's me going long. Can I get 10 ticks out of it? Okay. What if I'm way late? I get right here. Here's my E. Okay, so can I get it right there? Yes. E and my E. Exit. And am I still good within my 21? Yes. So can I go T1?
Enigma
Yes.
short on the NQ3.
Am I risking it if I go T2? Yes, because if I slip and I don't get in perfectly, and now my second target's out here somewhere and it doesn't go and it comes back on me, you know what I'm saying? Anyhow, I hope you get it. If you don't, you'll get better at it the more that you play, and you'll get it. Just practice the game. High fructose corn syrup. Yeah, I mean, it might be in there, but it does feel like it's kind of on the outside. It's like if you kind of touch it, it'll be on your fingers.
NQ61. Fib.Y.
And it's kind of powdery. So I feel like it's sugar, but only because there's like a powder on the outside. But yeah, it might be soaked in
Fib.YM on the 1.
HFC. Seems like everything else is these days. Don't tell RFK. I know. Hey, man, but I'm going to Steak and Shake now. Steak and Shake is with the program, man. They're like, all right, we're switching to beef tallow. See? Some people get it quicker than others. Steak and Shake. Never go to Steak and Shake, but after I heard Steak and Shake is all tallow now, count me in, bro. I'm on my way. You now have my $1. Congratulations. Go woke, go broke.
Speed of NQ74.
Stay with us. We'll get on the bus. Oh, you got a Wingstop near you now, Missile? Bro, prepare to put on some pounds, bro. I don't know. That chicken's pretty good for you, though. Just take it easy on the fries, because they're good, bro. All right, are we outside the fiddle zone yet? Nah, still barely inside. But look, we're moving. Moving off the flat zone. Moving up. Maybe we'll break out of here and get another set of plays going. That'd be cool. I got full auto turned on with the fiddle zone filter on. Pretty cool. Pretty cool.
Speed of NQ71. Double delta NQ on the 3. Speed of NQ71.
Now what's really cool, you notice this invert logic button that we've got going on here in Platinum.
Double delta NQ on the 3.
Pop quiz, who can tell me, like when would I, like why do I need an invert logic? When would I want to invert logic? Pop quiz. Give you a hint, there's only really one reason on Enigma that I have specifically spoken of when I would want to invert logic. What would that be? What kind of scenario would I invert logic? A little advanced. See who's been paying attention, hanging out in the live streams to know that one. The flat zone. That's right. Not in the fiddle. Petro finally gets one wrong. My goodness. Finally. Man got stumped. It's all right. You're never going to forget that one again, though, are you? The flat zone. Remember, there's a difference between fiddle and flat. You didn't know that. That rhymes, but now you do. Think it through. It's up to you. The flat zone. It is the red area.
On the 1.
Yes, then I will actually reverse it. Flat zone, I might skip it, but in the flat, I can actually, it's weird enough in there on a flat that I might invert the logic and literally take the opposite. So you turn off the fiddle zone. When you get to flat, you can turn off fiddle and turn on invert logic, and I might take that next play inverted. So longs go short, shorts go long. Simple. In the flat, that's right. First direction when you're in the flat zone, correct. White and brown sugar confirmed. Oh, white and brown. It is tasty. Tasty for sure. You know what? I heard something on my microphone pop. So maybe that's what's going on with the sound cutout. That's weird. I heard something in my earpiece. Weird. Electrical glitch going on with my
Enigma short on
maybe
the
it's the
NQ3.
microphone. Thank you, Mr. Welp. Well, that dot called the top there, didn't it?
Double delta NQ on the 3.
Almost like it knew what structure was about to pop there.
NQ63.
So multi-fib plus Elliott wave structure touch. Now you also had regulator, so channel regulator there as well. But yeah, snap down. No RTOFA. Very interesting. So is that a fake down? I might look for a long here. Moderate buy. Got my finger over the buy here. Cross one.
Double delta NQ on the 3.
I'm gonna get long here. Oh, it's a headshot. Oh man, I got slipped. Oh, I got a terrible entry. What just happened? Whoa, 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 whoa. Put my stop back behind this dot here. Whoa, I got slipped so bad. How did I even get that entry? That's terrible. What a terrible entry. Part out here.
Double delta NQ on the 3.
You're gonna use that every other tick near, bro. Terabad.
Speed of NQ 82. Speed of NQ 82. J hook long NQ on the 3.
I'm gonna take a loss. I can just feel it. Entry, bro. Strong buy. You can fake him down. Ooh. Come back through this point.
Fib.ym on the
I'll do
1.
Buy stop market 4. Up into 8. This good entry on that white
Enigma
cross.
short on the YM1.
Ooh boy. Yes, eso. So Enigma to the moderate buy. Flatten. You're too flat, man. Too flat.
Speed of NQ
I took
85.
a unnecessary loss there. That was uncool, bro. Uncool. Let's see. 1,
Fib.ym
2,
on the
3,
1.
4. There's another headshot. I'll go for it one more time here. Enigma target is right down here. 43.
J hook short
9,
NQ on the 3.
20 tick down. Currently still moderate buy. Crap there. Good shot long.
Fib.ym on the
Oof,
1.
reiterated. It's not a piercer. Might kill it here. Break that dot. Always re-enter if we go. Buy.
Speed of NQ 81.
Three out of 4 nerds confirm. Oh.
Target filled.
Come on.
Target
Give me a little
filled.
more. Give me a little more. Don't wreck me right there, bro. Got the 3 wise men. And what direction are we? Green. Hopefully it's a 3 wise men, but now I gotta tighten up my stop. Let's not get crazy, bro. Wise man, moderate buy. Don't stop me out, bro.
Speed of NQ 96.
Hey, Casey. I'm gonna kill it. I don't like it.
Enigma short on the YM1.
I don't like what's going on there. Something's in the water. Still in that flat zone area. Not really flat, but
Fib.ym
not
on
where
the
I
8.
want to be for the best plays here. And I want to hold my 5K. We worked not hard for that today. And people are always like, I worked hard for that. I did not work hard for that. And I still want to keep it. That bad.
Speed of NQ 80.
I pressed buttons
Speed
for
of
that.
NQ 80.
You gotta love the position manager buttons, baby. Especially when you're getting some size, yeah. Shake out before running to the P. Oh, where is the P point? Didn't Dude, P's way down there, bro. You're calling the P point? Okay, let's just write it down. Mr. Moore's calling the P point. Whoa, bro. He's calling the P point way down there. Ooh, boy. I don't know about that. So I'll tell you generally, when you see something like this, how many of you guys have seen this one? You're going chugga 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 chugga. Whoop whoop. What do you do after that? Chugga 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 chugga. Okay, generally you just keep on going. Now, then when the second one comes, then that one fakes everybody out. Now, this might be the second one because that might be one, this might be two. So I don't know. Maybe you're right. Maybe you're right. But generally, what I have seen is you see this ticka 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 ticka. Whoop whoop. Then yeah. And again, that's just structure. It's not as cool as ALGOBOX, so forget everything I just said. Forget the experience that I just told you. Yeah, kind of like a Richie, exactly. Nomad knows what's up. Man, I wish I would have held that play. Look at it. It ran, didn't it? See? I was right, but there's something tricky. I mean, you got to be honest. That was not. That was a little bit tricky, right? That was a little tricky. To be honest, that was tricky.
Speed of NQ72.
Ooh, 18.7. Strong buy though.
Double delta NQ
I would like
on
to
the
pop
3.
that little reversal here, but I might look for a continuation. We got a little target action up there. Now they might be faking the high of day. Everybody and their freaking brother right now sees this line, right? Everybody in the market is seeing high OD, right? HOD. So what happens here? Watch for the crosses on the crown. Okay, remember, crosses on the crown, we're going down, right? Crosses in the valley, then we're continuing the rally. Do 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 da da diddly do do deep bow beep doop deep do wop deep do. You're welcome.
Enigma short on the YM2.
Shut up.
Double
idiot.
delta EM on the 2.
Shut up. Tired. Trying to QA my platinum bot all night.
Speed of NQ59.
What about the DCDM, Vinny, on that 1807? Oh, I know. I like it. The problem is that is a very long leg. So on a very long leg like this, I actually want to reverse that. Remember, I treat these like a DCR. When I get a long leg into that, the target's way up there. I very much doubt it's going there. When you get this really long up to it, just generally I want to reverse that. So I really would want to just take a short right here, but I'm not going to on a strong buy. Not happening. Like to sit on my P&L for the time being, thank you very much. But I will say I'm going to read the crowns up here. Okay, I think if we do my more anticipated area thing where we've got the high of day here, now I start to see this stuff in here. I start to see crosses. Are the crosses on the crowns or
double delta NQ on the 369
valleys? Okay, I get him on the valley. Continue the rally. We get him on the crown, we're going down, and I'll play bigger on that. So, just a note on DCDMs. While we're here teaching and training and doing all that fun stuff here today, because it's kind of a mentorship Monday on a Tuesday, because we had Martin Luther King Day yesterday, and Trump is your president, so yes, my D. All right, so here we go. So, oh, I know. I'll show you guys. Long leg. Okay, normally you'll see
double
stuff
delta
where it's,
NQ on the 3.
you know, moving your way up here. We get a couple crosses, you know, and we're doing some double move. Cool. The problem is generally we get something where it's like super long leg. It's like, then you get double crosses.
Speed of NQ58.
Rather than it going double cross and double move off of that, ends up being, and then now everybody's ready to get going here, and you get retail offsides, and it breaks back down for a good amount. So generally, I'm less enthusiastic about one after a big long up
Double
for a
delta EM on the
trap back
4.
behind it.
Double delta NQ on the 3.
Oh, waiting on the Whiskers entry? Yeah, I think he enters in short right about here, right? When it comes back through.
Fib.YM on the 1.
Well, now you got a piercer play potentially. You're on strong buy. So I'm sitting out of it, but we did also get a divergence here. So this could be the down play here. I do like the option here for the down play, especially right here before high of day, and it's
Speed of
1044.
NQ 79.
So we could get that reversal. I'm gonna put my finger over the sell here. Let's watch the crowns. About to be popped out of the fiddle zone as well here. Here's R1. See where the crosses come.
Double delta NQ on the 3.
We're making crown tops here. I have not seen a cross yet. Crosses are currently in the valley, which means we're going to rally for now. Usually want to see about 2 or 3 of them. To get a good read. Sometimes you get it. Yeah, sometimes you don't get a read.
Speed of NQ 53.
Maybe I don't get a read. I can say the NQ's about to do something crazy. Y'all see this? So we might get another Titanic zone going on here, and might need to get a measurement. I want to clean this up here. I'm gonna do Control R, remove some drawings, and the leg on that. Gauge that. Okay, crossing the valley. First one in the valley so far. So we expect a rally, right? One. Let's find late Nate. When late Nate gets in, we're pressing the button.
Speed of NQ 88.
I am.
Speed of NQ 88. Fib.YM on the 40.
There's the fourth leg down. That yawn. Aegis. My apologies if it is.
Speed of NQ 110.
Nope. So your DCR 18.7. Little fledgling. Interesting to watch if we get back through that. Oh, look what came in on the twos. Saw this up very top out of the corner of my eye there. Did not. Oops. It's always on top. On it. Called the top. 20.4. Called the top. YM2s on L2.
Fib.YM on the 8. Double delta NQ on the 3.
4
Dot YM on the
LDT.
40. Double delta NQ on the 3. Speed of NQ 70.
So normal entry would be right here on the doggy head. Nappy here.
Speed of NQ 70. Speed of NQ 70. Speed of NQ 71.
I'm going to take my loss here. Yeah, I lost 20 ticks on that one. So the entry was here, should have been, and my entry ended up being up here. So that's the doggy head entry right there. And I got a terrible entry on that. I was too slow.
Enigma long on the YM1.
All right, giving me a redo here. I'll take it. Not the greatest of plays, only because we're still in the fiddle zone. Better if we outside the fiddle zone if we had reached up top here, but we are
Speed
moderate
of NQ
buy.
56. Double delta NQ on the 3.
Oh, went neutral as I say it. Neutral. Not behind the Enigma here. Might be a loss here. King timing, we just went big shift here.
Fib.YM on the 40.
And we just went red. Shifted to
J-hook short NQ on the
sell.
3.
Out of 4 nerds. To the sell side.
Speed of NQ 106.
Neutral.
Double delta NQ on the 3.
Unfortunately, when you're taking plays inside of that fiddle zone, if you are taking them in the fiddle zone, you kind of have to expect larger stop value. Gotta get unfortunate. And more retries in that. Why it's like best plays are really going to be outside of that fiddle zone where the rubber band is nice and stretched. Otherwise, it's just wiggly, wobbly, and good plays will just cost you more.
Speed of NQ83. Speed of NQ83 NQ3. Fib.ym on the 1.
Break it.
DCDM NQ on the 3. Double delta NQ on the 78. Fib.ym on the 1.
Let's see if I've overstayed my welcome on that. Went to the Enigma target and just got greedy. Super dot with a split cross reversal. Currently moderate buy. Is it going to let me get away with one?
Speed of NQ72.
Nope, we're neutral. So proper stop placement kept us in. Breed
Double delta EM on the 40.
didn't let me capitalize. Oh my goodness. Will someone tell Pablo why did it not take it? I've only said it like 15 times throughout this entire live stream. Somebody tell Pablo. Why did it not take the last Enigma? Tell him about the new goodies.
DCDMYM on the NQ61.
Boo, and it ends up keeping going. Greed could have paid off there, because then it turned into fear as it came right back down right there.
Fib.ym on the 1.
All right, so where are the crosses? The crosses are
Divergence down YM on the 8.
in the crowns.
Fib.ym
So
on the
I
1.
would think we're going down here, but it is strong buy. Normally want to press the sell here. Fiddle zone filter is switched on, bro. It's right there. Fiddle zone filter an 8 or 9,000, bro. You're into fiddle dough. 2 minutes till the top of the hour, 11 o'clock. Got it, dude. It's new, but it's platinum edition. Man, you know I'm kicking myself for not holding that, right? You know I'm kicking myself.
YM on the 40.
You know I'm kicking that.
Double delta NQ on the 3. Double delta NQ on the 3. Fib.YM on the 1. Speed of NQ 60. Double delta NQ on the 3.
All right, Super Shark NATO on NQ. Look at this beautiful deep dip right here. Beautiful, beautiful. I love these. Look at this. Everybody's looking down. Everybody's looking down. Everybody's looking down. Everybody's looking down. Or LDT. Rip. Happen to get a shark and a super right on it.
59.
You gotta love that. You gotta love those. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a little chuck right there. Pop up. Remember, target at the front of the shark. And it's very large on the 3s. That measurement doesn't look like much, but it is. Let's grab the measurement tool here. And we are finding here. I got 40 ticks out of it. But all the way from shark back to the front. Actually, I think it's probably still about 40 as well. Let's see. $39. Pretty close. Pretty close. Pretty close. To the front of the shark. For T1. Easy bag. Easy bag. And I did want to go short up here. It had the 17, 14. It's hard when it's just sticking straight up like that. Moderate buy. You got the high of day right there. We actually ended up touching the high of day. Remember, I kept saying, well, if we touch the top, you know, I like it to stop in front of it. This is a weird one. We did get crowns though, right? We got the crosses on top of crowns. Cross on top, cross on top. Did everybody see that? Top of the crown. Does everybody see it? So we're going which way? What's our phrase? Coming to the high of day, major level, right? Top of the crown, and we're going down, right? Crossing the valley, continue the rally. So I want to look for a trap and might look for the pivot point shift for a decent amount on a reversal here.
Fib.ym on the 1.
There's a red dot structure here. Give me a RTOFA event, and I'll take a stab at it and target the bottom of that channel right there.
Double delta NQ on the 3.
So this little move up there should get retail looking to go. Hopefully they press the buy button. We get another cross right here. Easiest read. Can be harder.
Fib.ym
They're
on
not
the
always wrong. They're just wrong 90 to 95% of the time. Want to see him press the button.
DCDM NQ on the 3.
MNQ. It's a hard read on that. This is an easier read. Top of the crown, top of the crown. I want one more. Remember, I want triples. I want 1, 2, and I want the third. You could argue this one was the top of the crown as well. But sometimes they're just so clear.
Divergence down YM on the 40. Double delta NQ on the 3.
He said, not today. Although, look at this. You don't see this very often. We're on the 40 range, and we just saw double ready DD. Folks, this could be the top. This could be the top. This could be the top. 40? My goodness. At the 40s, that could... Going over the hill on the 40, eh?
Lower bands touch NQ YM on the 89.
Said, not today. Today, she said, I am going and going and going. That cross never... Weatherman can't always predict the rain. But it don't mean I don't bring an umbrella. Always bring protection.
Double delta NQ on the 3. Double delta NQ on the 3.
What's it
Upper
gonna
bands
be here,
touch
Dow?
NQ on
You
the
are
89. Double delta EM on the 2.
just inching your way up there on a grind. When in a grind, do not rewind. I'm not looking to try to shorten this here. We are outside the fiddle zone now. A rare moment today. We are looking for setups here. Love a good ready up.
Order canceled.
Get ready for the next play and take a play. Would be cool.
J hook long YM on the 1. Upper bands touch YM on the 40.
Yeah, por todo del mundo.
Enigma long on the NQ3.
See if we get this target 1 on a J hook here. Entries down here. Draw the zone just in case it gets down here. Best entries down here, but when it does this, I've seen this a lot of times. We are strong buy. See some retail starts to try to pop short there. Gets hosed up, they sprint it long, and T1 is right there. We got T2 and T3 on J hook potential, and we're in a grind. Do not rewind, and we're not at noon yet, so I'm not really concerned with the midday pivot, but we're in the 11 o'clock hour, so we'll see. If it was noon, I'd be more concerned with this play here. Well up on the day here, and we'll give this a shot. Half position long here. The grinder. J hook target 1.
DCDMNQ on the 3. DCDMYM on the 1.
Oh boy. Double cross. Kind of top of a zone. Hopefully doesn't DCR here.
Fib.YM on the 8.
The win in the grind, do not rewind. Just trying to tap a little bit long here. J hook target 1. Trying to get the meat off at target 1 here on the J hook. But we've got some headwinds here. We got double ready DDs coming in on the 40, so big time frame, could be wanting to turn. We've got double cross here at the top of a zone, DCR potential. It is just kind of pausing and stalling up here, which hopefully tends to get retail trying to short, and oftentimes they get borked on that. They give one more power leg up, stop all of them out before they make the turn, and that's what I am betting on right now, but who knows.
J-hook short NQ on the 3. Upper bands touch NQ on the 89. DCDMYM on the 2.
Pop those stops. Pop them. Go get some more. Don't stop there. Don't stop there. Push it through. Give me some more, bro. Get it. Give me some more. You know you want to. You know, you just popped a little bit of their stops. You want way more than that. Come on, go pick up some more. Go pick up some more of their stops. You know there's a little... You know they're just shorting right there. Come on. Come on, push them a little farther. Push them a little farther. You know you want to. Come on, they're shaking out all the longs right now. Shorts are getting nervous. There's liquidity above you big time now, baby. They're up there big time. There you go. There you go. Smoke them if you got them, baby. Smoke them if you got them. Smoke them. Smoke them if you got them. All right, I'll lock in the rest. We got some pretty big uns there, and I'm just gonna lock it in there and let the runner run if she's gonna go. We got target 1 on the J hook. That was the kind of for me, the guarantee. The rest is just for fun. The run is for fun. But target 1, I like to know. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
Upper bands touch YM on the 40. When in a grind, do not rewind. Write it down. It will help you, I promise. Upper bands touch NQ.
We got the gold line target there. Maybe so we're up over 7K there, up there. Don't know if there's any left in it. We have a potential opportunity to re-go if it starts shaking too much there. It gets retail to kind of try to get that short and oftentimes they will wreck them as they try to call the high. Let's see if that's going to be one of those. For the time of day, it probably is. It's 11:24. If it's for noon, maybe not, but before noon, yeah, probably gonna do the thing. This is experience talking here now. Give me that lift off, baby. Now the pain begins right there. There they go. Now the pain starts. Not for me, but for them. Comes the pain train. There it is. Pain trains are coming. Ready for liftoff when you are there, Dow. Let's go, baby. Let the juice loose.
Double delta EM on the 2.
Bring the pain train. Bring it. Here it comes.
Double delta NQ on the 3.
Awesome, Dennis. Thanks, bud. Appreciate it.
Enigma short on the
You're welcome.
YM1.
Oh, no. No. I left full auto on. Oh, no. No. Oh, dude. I didn't even get the fun part. Come on. I'll explain what happened there in a moment. I need to concentrate here for a moment. Lost track of where target 2 was now.
Double delta NQ on the 3. Upper bands touch YM on the 40. Fib.YM on the 1.
Oh, come on. Break it. Break it.
Target filled. Target filled. Target filled.
Thank
Target
you very much.
filled.
Now
Target
give him the rest of the
filled.
pain train. Give him the rest of the pain train. Push it.
DCDMYM on the 2.
Ooh, come on. Got a little more in you. Those are just their stops. You know, it's just their... You guys start stepping now. Give them too much time to think about it. What time is it? Is it noon yet? No. Come on, push it. Give me my 10K. Get up there.
DCDMNQ on the 3.
Come on. Come on. Give me my 10K. All right, I'm killing it. $200 away from 10K. It would not give it to me. It would not give me my $200. It is super annoying. I want to watch this, see if it goes. We are getting crosses at the tops of crowns now, so it might go down. We know we had the double ready up over here. I just thought it had a few more ticks left in it to run out that J hook. Oftentimes, when in a grind, do not rewind. Like, I'm not shorting that kind of stuff when it does this. It goes and goes and goes and goes. Maybe that was the end. Wow. Oh, man. I want my 200 bucks. I'm going tiny ATM. I'm going tiny ATM, y'all. Let's get 10K hype in the chat. Am I going to do 4 tinies? Yeah, Superstition Buster. All right, got the Superstition Buster. Don't fail me now. Time to get tiny. Let's go. Tiny ATM. I need 200 bucks. And that was, yeah, that was the high. Interesting. Right before noon. Did not get there. So I still feel like we got
YM on the 40.
We got another pop in here somewhere. Here's the Enigma target. I'm tempted to just tap it here. It went 20 ticks. So I have 4 legs. 1, 2, that's 3. I need a 4th leg, and I can maybe grab a 4 LDT for a quick one. Neutral.
Double delta EM on the
okay,
1.
there's a ready DD. I'm going for it right here. Okay. Come on. Give me my 200.
Target
Yes.
filled.
Yes. Give it to daddy.
Target
Yeah. Good juice. Get wrecked.
You got this, baby. I know it's been crazy. You don't see me, it's exhausting. City to city, cause I'm shiny, boys is popping. You keep making plans, babe, I'm sorry, I keep flopping. Call me late at night, cause I love it when you talk. No matter where I go with you, not here, it's just not home. No, I can't let go without you near. I feel alone. I'm holding on your tricks. Got me 10 feet off the ground. Now I'm seeing how you play. ALGOBOX, you turn it all around. You tell me that you need me, then you go and show me how. Wait, you tell me that it's easy, didn't think I'd see the game you play. It's too late to miss the game. It's too late. It's time to miss the game. It's too late.
Double delta EM on the 1.
Oh, excessive celebration. Somebody slap handcuffs on that man for excessive celebration. How about now? Yeah, my microphone's been doing some weird little popping thing in my ears. I needed a replug, eh? Oh, excessive celebration indeed. That man's P&L is too large. Arrest him. Maybe he's born with it.
Fib.ym on the 1.
Maybe it's ALGOBOX. You don't know about the Maybelline commercials? I'm going to apologize ahead of time.
NQ52. Double delta EM on the NQ52.
I should probably do a mic check. It's showing that the mic is working, but no one was laughing at my jokes, because maybe it's because it's just not funny, though. And you guys actually hear my joke? Just let me know. Give me a 1 if you can hear it, 2 if you can't. Get it? Yeah, that was funny, too. That was funny. I know you can't type a 2 if you can't hear it. I know. Pretty funny. All right, good. Somebody got my joke. Thanks, Casey. Everybody else is over busy counting their money after that last beautiful play there, I imagine. Is that a Super AO? Yeah, close. It's iffy. It's more than 15 bars away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, it's like 20 bars away. Pretty close, though. The no joke filter's turned on. Yeah. Everybody's probably mad because they were all betting against me on that last play and they're all shorting, and then they got out of their short. And then they went long. And then... yeah, and then I don't know. I don't know what happened. But all of a sudden, like, a whole bunch of people dropped off the stream. I see the numbers go. I'm out. All the trolls are like, damn it. He's right again.
Double delta EM on the 1.
Is that a super shark? It is. I want to press the button. Are we still moderate buy? We are. All right, I'm going for super shark. Ready? 3, 2, 1. That's the 4th leg. Super shark. Back. Tail. NATO. I'm going to press it right now.
Target
Yes.
filled.
Give me more. Give me more. Give me more. Don't wreck me, bro.
Target
Yes. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Double delta EM on the 1. Fib.ym on the 1.
All right. I think the trolls broke my microphone.
Enigma long.
I couldn't hear my last funny joke. I thought it was pretty funny. I don't remember what it was though. Something about trolls, and they left so they could get back to their Uber route and make sure that they deliver my burger hot and on time, because that was our bet. And snap to it, boys, and don't lick my fries, please. Just keep them in the bag. It'll be cool. Just sniff them. It's fine. You can free sniffs, bro. Free sniffs. Free sniffs. It's part of the on-the-job training, and job perks and benefits, bro. Sniff them. Sniff them, just don't lick them. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Let's make a special announcement around scam tards. Okay? Listen,
Double delta NQ double delta RTY
in the announcements, and I'm going to post it in the room again. You guys help me out and maybe post this on occasion for me. Actually, I think it says me, isn't it? Oh, my probably is. Okay, this. Okay, so somebody contacted me yesterday. These crypto scams are everywhere, folks. They come, they impersonate people, and listen, I am not going to ask you for crypto. I am not going to trade for you. I'm not going to invest for you. I'm going to double your money in 30 days or less. Nonsense, okay? If someone sends you a DM, it's not me. Now, again, I might send you a DM, but I'm saying if it's asking for some crypto nonsense, it's outside the website, blah, 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 just don't, okay? There's a number at the bottom of the website. You want to call us, check on it, send an email, something. Luckily, this person actually sent an email. It was like, hey, Vinny, sign the contract and I'm sending you. I'm like, bro, whoa, 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 whoa. No, it sounds like you're falling for a scam. Don't do it. Okay? There are scams everywhere. They abuse the trusted relationship and rapport that... I don't consider myself an influencer, but you know what I'm saying, people who are online. And then they're like, oh yeah, no, it's Vinny. Yeah, send me your money. No, don't do that. Now this is an interesting set of crosses here. This thing's gonna go. I think it's gonna keep going down. Headshot. Stalled out here. But it looks like they're trying to pop them long. So they're probably wrong. You know what I'm saying? 90 to 95% of the time, retail's wrong, so it might be going down a little bit farther. It might be that time to get trapped at the top. Now, what time of day is it, right? We are about almost exactly 30 seconds from now. We are 10 minutes away from high noon, and that can often be that midday turning point, midday area, right? And if you guys remember that thing earlier, if you've been here for the whole stream, kudos to you. Remember when I said this earlier? I was like, whoop, whoop, and then whoop, whoop, right? And then I said, now, this is an anti-mirror. Everybody know the anti-mirror? See those two peaks right there? So, noobs, they look to the left, and it's like, oh, look at that. Last time it did this, so it's probably going to do this again. Ha ha ha. Like my Mickey Mouse voice, yeah. But it's not. This time it's probably going to go like this, because that's how it does things. Make sense? So be very careful. I would have a feeling that it's probably going to be an anti-mirror. I would bet against this continuing on upward at that point. I think this next one is going to be a deep
double delta NQ
pull, and happens to be that kind of time of day as well. So just that's my 2 cents on it. Hopefully that's helpful to you. No guarantees on anything. obviously. Just the way that I see things. Hopefully maybe it's helpful to you, maybe it's not. Got 10 minutes here till that noon section where we might get that midday pivot. '40 is looking interesting as well. Remember that there. Now, it does not mean we're just 100% turning around. Okay. Just look for plays. Play the plays. Play the plays. All right. We might be back for an afternoon session. What do you guys think? Should we do an afternoon session? Type it there in the chat. Let me know. We will be talking about the Platinum Edition stuff here. There's a couple more bugs. I've got a couple more things here around the Moonshot Supermoon. Basically, they're kind of in conflict right now. I had found a few bugs around them in conflict, so I'll get that fixed here, but we'll have it ready by Friday. Sorry, I wanted to have it by Saturday, but yeah.
Fib.y.
You know, time, life, wife, etc., etc. Right.
On the one.
All right. I feel like there's something else I was supposed to tell you guys. I already told you about the scams. Don't fall for scams. It feels like there was something else to tell you, but I don't know. I'm all coded in. Oh, we talked about it. NinjaTrader, right? Make sure you're on the previous version of NinjaTrader. Do not get the latest version, 8.14. There's something wrong with it. I don't know what it is, but NinjaTrader's forums, they're saying stuff. We've had people in our room with issues loading, particularly market replay or just at startup. I actually experienced it this morning as well, even with a clear cache this morning. So yeah, I would say that there's possibly something going on there with 8.14. So wait till they maybe put out a bug fix release on that. Just my 2 cents. I think that was the other thing to talk to you guys about. All right. Catch you guys this afternoon or tomorrow morning. Thanks for hanging out. For me, Pippi, Robbie, Lunchbot, Mod Squad, Curtis, G, Eddie B. I'm sitting in the big H-Town. To y'all. Art team, show them how it's done.
The old adage where, the individual investor doesn't have a chance because the institutional investor has better technology, better information, and, more money and better opportunity, I don't think it's real anymore. I think the edge is on the individual investor because they're small, they're nimble, they can trade, they can use, they have all front-end technology.
Don't waste your time. Leave the technical analysis to us. You just play the game.
Double delta team on the 4. Double delta team on the 1. Enigma short on the YM2.